We are continuing that portion, that is calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. We'll work out illustration 13, which is almost similar to one question that we did before. A and B are partners. Their ratio is given 5:3. That is the old ratio. A surrenders 1/20th of his share. So you have to write 1/20 into. Whereas B surrenders 1/24th of his share, that is B's share, in favor of C, a new partner. We have to get the new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here, when you write the sacrificing ratio or the sacrificing proportion, can we simply write 1/24 and A surrendering 1/20? Can we just directly write A sacrifice 1/20, B sacrifice 1/24? No, this is wrong. In the previous question we did like this because it was written 1/12 from X, 1/6 from Y. Whereas in this question it is written 1/20th of his share into. So what A sacrifice is equal to 1/20th of his share. What is A's share? Their proportion is 5:3. So this will be 5/8. You can write 5/160. Just multiply numerators and denominator. Then what will be B's sacrifice? Is it simply 1/24? It is not 1/24. It is 1/24th of his share. That means B's share, B's proportion is 3/8. Understood? So it will be 3/192. Next we have to get, so sacrificing proportions we got, we need to get the new ratio. And here A is surrendering 1/20th of his share, B is surrendering 1/24th of his share in favor of C. So what C gets will be the sum total of these two. So you can convert it into the lowest form and you can write it as 1/64, and this one you can write as 1/32. Lowest form. Just cancel this and take the lowest form. So it will be 1/32 and 1/64. Yes. Now C's new share, what C gets will be equal to the total of A and B's sacrifice. So 1/32 plus 1/64. So make the base as same. It will be 3/64. So we got C's new share, we got the sacrificing ratios also. Sacrificing ratio will be, what will be sacrificing ratio of A and B? We have two questions, that is to get the sacrificing ratio and to compute the new ratio. Sacrificing ratio is 1/32 and 1/64. We have to make the base as same. This is the sacrificing proportions, make the base as same. So sacrificing ratio will be 2:1. So we got the sacrificing ratio. Next we have to get the new ratio. So new ratio or new share is equal to, write the formula once again, that is old share minus surrendered share or sacrifice share. So old share minus surrendered share, that is new share formula. We have to first get the new share of A. A's new share will be equal to, what is A's old share? A's old share is 5/8 minus, what is A's surrendered share? Surrendered share or sacrifice share both are same, but here we have sacrificing ratio just like in the previous question. What did I tell you? Can we directly take 2/3 as the surrendered share? No, you have to take the actual proportion. What was A's sacrificed proportion? A's sacrificed proportion was 1/32. Similarly, what is B's sacrifice proportion? It is 1/64. Don't simply write 2/3 and 1/3. you have to take the sacrificed proportion. So it is 1 by 32. So this will be 19 divided by 32. And then we have B's new share, that is equal to 3 by 8. That is B's old proportion or old share minus what is his sacrifice proportion? Will you write 1 by 3? That is wrong. What you have to take is the actual sacrificed proportion. So it is 1 by 64, isn't it? Yes, 1 by 64. So this will be 23 by 64. Now you can write the final ratio, new ratio. Already we wrote the sacrificing ratio. Now the new ratio will be 19:23:. There is one more partner. What was C's new proportion that we already computed, isn't it? 3 by 64. 19, I think, yes. C's is 3 by 64, but the first person's new share is 19 by 32. The base is different. 19 by 32, just check whether the base is same for every partner. Here it is 3 by 64, isn't it? C's proportion is 3 by 64, yes. So these are the proportions which we got, 19 by 32, 23 by 64, and C's already we computed 3 by 64. Make it to the common base. So this will be 38:23:3. So that is the final ratio between A, B and C. Next is illustration number 14. Illustration 14, the question is, X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admit Z into partnership. Who acquires means there is a slight difference in this question, which is very important. They admit Z into partnership. Who acquires means we are talking about Z. Z is acquiring 1/4 of his share from X. So Z will acquire 1/4 of his share means we are talking about Z. Usually what happens is it would be written like Z would be admitted for 1/4 which he acquires equally from X and Y. That means X and Y sacrifice is usually given. Whereas in this particular question, what is the difference? Z is admitted and he is acquiring 1/4 of his own share. They are talking about Z here. They are not talking about X. We can't write 1/4 of X share. Read that sentence very carefully. Z is acquiring 1/4 of whose share? Of his share. Z share. Z share do we have in the question? Z share is missing in the question. So just write 1/4 of Z share. How he is getting this 1/4 of his own share, okay, which is missing in the question. And this is taken from X. Z will be taking 1/4 of his share. His share usually you will be taking X share. Whereas here they are talking about Z's own share. So 1/4 of Z share from X. X the partner. Similarly, he will take, that is Z will take, what's the proportion he is taking from Y? 3/16 from Y. It's not written like of his share and all. Directly he is taking 3/16 from Y. Calculate the new ratio and sacrificing ratio. So 1/4 of his share is taken from X. So this will be called as X sacrifice, isn't it? What he gets will be what X sacrifice. Similarly, 3/16 is taken from Y. So Y's sacrifice is 3/60. Did you understand so much? Next. Since there is no hint regarding what is Z share, what you have to take is, if 1/4 is taken from X, what is the balance share taken from Y? 1 minus 1 by 4, isn't it? If 1 by 4 is taken from one partner or one person, how will you compute the balance? Balance will be 1 minus, if total is usually assumed as 1, so the balance will be 1 minus 1 by 4. Just do cross multiplication, 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be taken from y. So what you can do is 3 by 4 z will take or z acquires 3 by 4 of z's share from whom? From y, isn't it? And what is that proportion he is taking from y? Which is directly given in the question. That is 3 by 16. So z will take, how did we get this 3 by 4? It was not mentioned in the question. We took the balance. So balance 3 by 4 of z's own share will be taken from y, and that proportion is given. Z is taking 3 by 16 from y. We have this proportion directly. Now can't you get what is z's share? We will be getting z's share now. Just take it to the opposite side. Take the reciprocal, that is 4 by 3, which is 1 by 4. So we got z's share now. Z's share we got. So now we can apply it in this first equation. We can get what x sacrifice. We got what y sacrifice already. We need to get what is, we have to get the sacrificing ratio also, isn't it? Yes. So x sacrifice will be equal to, what is x sacrifice? X sacrifices is equal to 1 by 4 of z's share. And now that z's share we got, it is also 1 by 4. You understood? 1 by 4 of z's share we got as 1 by 4. So x sacrifices 1 by 16. So x sacrifice 1 by 16. Y sacrifice already we have 3 by 16. Now you can write the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to, when you write the ratio, be very careful. Don't write 3:1 as the ratio. Though we found y's proportion first, that means that was directly given. When you write the ratio, it should be between x and y. The order of their names are very important. So you have to take x proportion first. That is 1 by 16, and the other partners 3 by 16. The base is same. So you can write the sacrificing ratio as 1:3. So sacrificing ratio between x and y, take in that order itself. 1 by 16 and 3 by 16, that is 1:3. Now you can get the new ratio. How will you get the new ratio or the new share? That is equal to old share minus the surrendered share. Now when you take the surrendered share, what you have to do is, will you take this 1 by 4 as surrendered proportion? No, you must take this actual proportions, 1 by 16 and 3 by 16. This one you have to work it out. I am not doing this. You can continue. Take the sacrificed proportion as 1 by 16 and 3 by 16. Not this one. This is the ratio, but you have to take the actual proportions when you compute the new share or new ratio.